Namaste. Today we will see the magic of magical Vedic mathematics, a miracle of Vedic maths, a magic square. Magic square is an ancient Indian mathematics puzzle in the form of a square grid, which is also called Maya Varg. It has equal number of rows and columns. It has great importance in astrology, but nowadays it is one of the frequently asked questions in competitive exams. It is the part of recreational mathematics. So let's walk into the wonderful world of Vedic mathematics and let's learn solving a puzzle of magic square and winning a number game by easiest, fastest, simplest and very interesting methods of Vedic mathematics, so that we can create magic square within seconds, and creating magic square will be like a fun. So let's see. Here is a square grid having 5 rows and 5 columns. This horizontal line is known as row and vertical line is called column. We have to fill distinct positive numbers from 1 to 25 in such a way so that sum of each row, sum of every column and sum of any diagonal should always be same, and that sum is known as magical constant. We start with 5th order magic square. The process is to remember only one direction, upright crosswise, or like this, move upward then towards right. We start with top left hand corner cell, midmost cell of first row. Midmost cell of first row will be filled by number 1. Then we move in the northeast direction crosswise. There is no cell, so come downwards in the last cell. 2. Again move up then right and fill next consecutive number 3. Again up right, no cell is there, so come in the last cell, leftmost cell, 4. Again move up right and fill 5 here. But if we move again up and then right, then we got already filled cell, and whenever this case occurs, then move downwards, just downward cell, and fill next consecutive number here. After 5 we will fill 6 here, and then same process will be repeated. Upright 7, then 8. No cell is there, so come in the last cell, 9. Again upright, no cell is there, so come in the last cell, 10. Then 11. Because after 10, if we move up then right, then there is already filled cell. So we come in the downward cell, 11. Then in the same way, 12, diagonally upward 13, 14, 15. Or you can remember like this, whenever multiples of 5 occurs, that are 5, 10, 15 and 20, then next consecutive number will be filled in the lower cell, 16. Again upright, no cell is there, so come in the leftmost cell, 17. Upright, no cell is there, so 18, 19, 20. After 20, 21 in down cell, then 22, 23, 24, 25. So in this way we have created a magic square. Here if we find sum of first row or second row or any of the row, the sum is always 65. Sum of any column, sum of any vertical line will always be 65. Top left to bottom right, this diagonal, northwest to southeast diagonal, sum is again 65, and northeast to southwest diagonal, the sum is again 65. The magical constant can be obtained by using this formula, n into n square plus 1 by 2. Here n is order of magic square. Here order is 5, so put n equal to 5 here. So 5 into 5 square plus 1 by 2, that is 5 into 26 by 2, that is 5 into 13, which is equal to 65. Or directly by mere inspection you can find out this midmost cell is 13. Midmost cell entry will be multiplied to the order of magic square, 13 into 5, which is equal to 65. But this method of finding magic constant is applicable in odd order magic square. But this is general formula, n into n square plus 1 by 2, for finding magic constant for any order of magic square of order say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. So I hope that all of you have learned this method of forming odd order magic square. All odd order magic square of order 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on will be formed by this method. Odd order magic squares are like balloons. As balloon being inflated always remains spherical. It will go on bigger and bigger if blown up. Similarly, all order 3, 5, 7, 9 magic squares will be formed by using the same procedure. Amazingly how easy it is. Now we see the magic square of order 4 by 4. To create magic square of order 4 by 4, we have to fill non-negative positive integers from 1 to 16 in this square grid in such a manner so that sum of each row, sum of every column and sum of any diagonal should be same. We are proud that we Indians are heroes behind the recreational mathematics of magic square of evenly ordered magic squares of order 4 mainly. Varahamihir was the first in the world history of mathematics who discussed the evenly even order magic square of order 4 in his text Brihat Samhita in 587 CE. So let us see the process of forming magic square of order 4. First of all, we darken the boundaries of 4 corners like this. In this way, 4 small squares of order 1 by 1 formed. Also darken the boundary of midmost square of order 2 by 2. So in this way we have formed total 5 squares. 4 squares of order 1 by 1 and 1 big square of order 2 by 2 and 4 rectangles also. These are 4 small squares and 1 big square. So in all 5 squares are there and these 4 rectangles will be there. Now start counting from 1 to 16 from left to right in such a way that fill only square entries and rectangle entries will remain vacant. So we start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 like this. Now again count from 1 to 16 in reverse order from last bottom cell, such that square entries are already filled. Now we have to fill only rectangle entries like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. In this way we have created a magic square of order 4. It is a special magic square of order 4. So let us see what made this square so special. Here sum of each row is same. Here magical constant is 34. As 4 into 4 square plus 1 by 2, that is 4 into 17 by 2. That is 2 into 17, which is equal to 34. Sum of every column is also 34. Sum of any diagonal is 34. Sum of 4 corners will also be 34. 1, 4, 13, 16 will also be 34. There are still some oddities in store. Sum of numbers in the midmost square of order 2, like 6, 7, 10, 11. Again sum is 34. One more attraction of this square is sum of numbers in every 2 by 2 order square formed in corners like 1, 15, 12, 6, or we take 11, 5, 2, 16. The sum is again 34. Are you surprised? It doesn't stop here. Sum of horizontally opposite first and last row 4 elements like 15, 14, 3, 2. Sum is again 34. Or vertically opposite 4 elements 12, 8, 9, 5. Again sum is 34. Not horizontal, not only horizontal and vertical, but also crosswise opposite 4 elements like 12, 15 and 2, 5. Sum is again 34. In case of 8th order magic square, magic constant will be 260, but in that case we have to darken boundaries of 4 squares, 4 corner squares of order 2 by 2. As we have darkened here 4 corner squares of order 1 by 1. In case of 8th order magic square, we take 4 corner squares of order 2 by 2 and a midmost square of order 4 by 4, and rest of the process will remain same. So I hope that all of you have learnt and enjoyed this method of creating magic square. These are evenly ordered or doubly even order magic squares. All magic squares of order 4, 8, 12, 16 can be formed by using this method. Now we come to magic square of order 6. There is some quite different method of forming magic square of order 6 or 10 or 14. It will be of the order 4n plus 2. If we put n equal to 1, then we get 6. If we put n equal to 2, then we get 10. So of order 6, 10 and so on. So first of all form a square grid of order 6 by 6 having 6 rows and 6 columns. Then divide this square into 2 parts. Horizontally in 2 parts means draw a horizontal line from the center like this. Also vertically divide this square of 6 by 6 in 2 parts. Now in this way we have formed 4 squares of order 3 by 3. Now we have to name these 4 squares and we have to do numbering of these squares. The numbering will be done 1, 2, 3, 4. Means this is magic square, square 1. This will be square 2. And this square is square 3 and this one is square 4. So you can remember it like this. The upper 2 squares are odd numbered and lower 2 squares are even numbered. Now first of all, fill square number 1 by the same way as we were filling odd ordered squares. We have to fill entries from 1 to 9. So we start with midmost cell of first row of square 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then next entry 10 will be the first entry of square number 2, and again fill this 3 by 3 order square. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Whenever multiple of 3 occurs or number divisible by 3 occurs, then come in the downward cell. Now we start with square number 3, and next entry will be 19. 19 will be the first entry of square 3. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now we start filling square 4. The first entry of square 4 will be 28. So 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So in this way we have filled numbers from 1 to 36. Now these 3 numbers are interchanged by these 3 numbers, means here 8 is replaced by 35. In place of 8 we will write 35. And in place of 35 we will write 8. Again 4 and 31 are to be interchanged. In place of 4 we will write 31. And in place of 31 we will write 4. Similarly 5 and 32 are to be interchanged. 5 will be replaced by 32 and 32 will be replaced by 5. In this way we have created a magic square of order 6. Similarly, we can create magic square of order 10 or 14 with slight modification. Here we used Vedic math sutras ekadikena purvena urdhva tiryabhyam and paravarti yojeta. Ekadiken purvena means one more than the before. Urdhva tiryabhyam means vertically and crosswise. Paravarti yojeta means transpose and adjust. So I hope that you have enjoyed these methods of finding magic square of any order. Thank you.